Did you just get the GoGo Endurance AL Plus mobility scooter and you're not sure what to do next? This is a quick, basic user's guide to get you up and running on your scooter. It's a little bit more complicated than some of the older scooters, so there might be some features people aren't aware of. So first thing I'm going to go over is your console. So this is your console. To turn the scooter on, you turn the key to the right. To drive the scooter, you will pull these tiller levers either forward or backwards to go forward or reverse. This is your speed indicator, so this is your slowest speed. And then this is, I believe, around 4 miles an hour at max speed. Your horn is right there. This is your battery indicator, so this scooter is full charge. You will gradually lose batteries as you lose range on your scooter. On the right-hand side of your tiller is your charger port. A new feature is the magnetic charge, so you use the charger provided with your unit. You will line it up with the port. It will automatically snap into place. This light will come on, but you do have to put the other end of your charger into the wall for it to charge, even if the light is on. So the other end goes into the wall. When you're done, you just disconnect like that. On the other side, over here, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's a little switch that'll turn your lights on. You'll get front headlights and then rear tail lights. It's on the other side of this charging port, just a little switch right there. If for whatever reason you need to push the scooter, in the back here is your neutral levers. It's in the lock position now. You would push this forward. Your scooter might beep at you a little bit, so I'm going to turn the power off, but then you can freewheel your scooter like that. Once you're done, make sure you put it back into the lock position or the scooter's going to beep at you and it's not going to drive. Another new feature on the scooter is the tiller adjust. It's down here, so you don't have to reach down and loosen a knob. You can just kick this forward with your foot and bring the tiller wherever you want. It's a lot easier to use than the old style. This the scooter is also equipped with easy turn, meaning the front wheels can turn at 180 degrees. So even though it's a 4-wheel scooter, you can turn at the same turning radius as a 3-wheel scooter. So that's another neat feature that this scooter comes with. And now we'll do a quick rundown of how to break the scooter down. The front basket comes off, the seat comes off, you can fold this down, and then to get the seat off, you just lift straight up. You don't need to hold the handle on the side. The battery pack comes off. And actually, while I have this off, I'm going to talk about this for a second. Your relay fuse is right here. If you ever overheat the scooter, you're going uphill, it's hot outside, the user is a little heavier, it might pop that fuse if it's overheating the motors. Just put it back in, let the scooter cool down. You have a charging port right here as well. You can bring the battery pack inside and charge it while leaving the scooter in your vehicle. There's also an on-off switch up here. If you ever want to put the battery in a sleep mode, or if your scooter's ever not turning on, check to make sure that switch didn't get flipped. We will bring our tiller down, and then to go forward, you just lift up on this handle, walk the scooter forward. The heaviest piece is about 35 pounds. It'll be that front section. To put it back together, we'll lift it up, line up the green lines back here, and it should very easily lock in place. You shouldn't have to jam it in there. Bring our tiller back up, stick our batteries back on, make sure they're nice and firmly seated or else it won't get power. Stick your seat back on. And then we'll stick our front basket back on as well. So once again, this has been just a quick user's guide on the GoGo Endurance AL Plus. If you're interested in the scooter, give us a call or check the link in the description below. We can get one sent out to you. And please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.